Hello friends, this is Aman from Share Tech Love, and today we have the LG Q6, which is the latest phone from LG. Let's keep it aside for time being so that we could have a look at the specifications. This handset is powered by 1.4 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 430 processor, Adreno 505 GPU, 5.5 inches Full HD Plus Full Vision display, which means 2160 by 1080 pixels screen resolution with 18:9 aspect ratio. This is made up with US military standard. That means it should protect your device for any minor accidental drops. It doesn't have any fingerprint scanner, but it has a secured face unlock feature, and we will be checking the same in this video. Price quoted on the box is $16,990, but is available on Amazon for just $14,990 with some special offers. I would be providing you the direct link in the description section. Do check the same if you would like to pick one for yourself. Here is the phone. Then we will have the warranty card, SIM ejector pin, quick start guide, travel adapter with 5 volts, 1.2 amps, regular data cable, and there is one more box wherein we have the headset, which is again a regular headset with a mic and a button to take up calls. This handset looks premium with very good color reproduction and viewing angles. On the upper side we have the earpiece, 5 megapixels fixed focus camera, sensors, and on the lower side there is LG logo. On the right side there is a power button. On the top there is a secondary noise cancellation mic. On the left side there are volume rockers, 2 separate Nano SIM card slots, and a separate and dedicated micro SD card slot. That would be a good news for many of us. On the bottom there is a primary mic, data syncing and charging port, and a 3.5 mm audio jack. On the back side there is a 13 megapixels camera with flash. This back looks glossy and it has already attracted a lot of fingerprints. There is a speaker and branding Q6. That is the model. This phone is running on LG's customized user interface, which mostly looks like stock Android. Let's go to settings and check the software information. This handset is running on Android Nougat, that is 7.1.1 with July security patch. Let's go back and see some of the special features that this phone offers. It's good to see that we could rearrange or customize these touch type capacitive buttons. Let's go back, and as we see there we have the app scaling feature, which means we could set the aspect ratio for all the downloaded apps, which would be nice. After the first boot, 1.7 GB RAM was available out of 2.8 GB, and around 22 GB internal storage was available after the first boot. Do note that there is an option to get the settings in list view, and now it looks almost like stock Android. This handset supports easy switch, on double tapping the recent apps button. Here is the camera interface. This is a simple camera interface from LG, and it has only a few modes. Let's quickly go to settings, and as we see here, there are some filters, and in settings, as we see, the max photo size could be 13 megapixels, but the good thing is that we could record videos in full HD 16:9 aspect ratio, HD 18:9, and HD 16:9 aspect ratios. The same video resolution is applicable for the front camera as well. And as we see, we have an auto HDR feature. Let's now check some of the samples. This photo is clicked using the primary camera without using any tap to focus. And as we see, the details are not good, and the photo looks quite average. And I have clicked the same photo using touch to focus, and this has come out very good with lots and lots of details. Let's move. This is the macro shot in low light condition, but it has come out very good. This is clicked without flash, but in very low light conditions it would not produce good images. This is clicked using front facing camera, and this is just decent. I would not say that this is great. As we know that this handset supports face unlock feature, let's test if it could detect my face and unlock. Yes, it does work. Let's check the same again. Yes, it works, but is a bit slow. That's all about this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and share. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you would like to pick one for yourself, I would be providing you the direct link in the description section. Do check the same. Please provide your comments if you would like to see an in-depth camera test and a full review for this device. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family members. Thank you.